look at Tom looking at Yorkie. He's never met Yorkie before.
Has he not?
This is a box opening, a very exciting box opening.
Happy birthday.
It's an early birthday present. It's toy therapy.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, look at that bubble wrap with really big bubbles.
Did a good job.
I've got in the background there, I've got Tom because, you know, Tom's most recent addition. But I've also got Yorkie because what I'm opening here is Roaring Tyler.
Oh,
And he reacts when he...
both roar, don't they?
Yeah, well, he reacts. If you roar to him, he roars back. So I'm just wondering if he'll roar back to Yorkie. Oh, Toby doesn't like he doesn't like these things.
No,
oh, he doesn't like. Oh,
it's alright. It's alright.
he doesn't like these popping.
He'll like what's it? Don't you worry, sunshine.
It's all over in a minute, son.
Yeah, there's a little knife here I got for you. He's perhaps better off cutting it.
Oh, he didn't like that banging, the popping banging.
It's funny, he's not scared of fireworks, is he?
No.
Whoa, man!
Oh, look at him.
Wow, that's big, isn't it?
He's huge, isn't he?
That's big.
Isn't he huge?
Yeah.
So,
You got to buy, this was a bargain, wasn't it? When you bought it?
yeah, it was reduced to £50 with £3.50 postage. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What were these when you first came out? A couple of years ago, wasn't it?
135. Responds with 100 plus sounds.
Wow.
Sound and motion combination.
He's going to get on well with Yorkie then, isn't he?
Oh, look at his toy.
Reminds me of
Reacts to his
Sid
play
Vicious
toy.
Yeah.
Roar, 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 and he roars back. This is why I'm wondering. And yes, 4 C cells which I've got ready.
We've already got them, yeah. All charged. Yeah.
Oh, it's now a lovely box.
Beautiful box. Beautiful product.
Gosh,
Is
it's so big.
The Spin Master.
No, it's Hasbro. It's
Hasbro, yeah.
Hasbro does the for
Oh,
real.
you were saying a while ago, Hasbro stuff tends not to break in comparison to
Hey,
Spin
where's
Master.
that?
I don't know, but don't sit
Oh,
on
there
it.
it is.
Sharp. Okay. Surgical incisions. Oh, yes. Control your excitement. This is the way to open a package.
Okay.
Wow, it's big, isn't it? It's like a garage.
Garage.
It's a big box. It's obviously tiger skin effect because it's a tiger, but it's
Oh,
really
that was so funny, folks. Check out Amazon. This really made me laugh. There was loads of people saying, "Hey, I hope that's fake fur," as if Hasbro's gonna use real tiger fur. If you don't believe me, go and have a look. It's at Amazon and have a look at the questions.
So realistic looking, isn't it? Yeah.
And so people were saying, "No, I don't believe it's real fur," and all this. And in the end, there were so many people asking the same question. It's not real fur, is it? That Hasbro actually put
Put response.
a response on Amazon saying none of our products use real fur. I thought that was hysterical.
Did they mean real tiger fur?
Yeah.
Very.
That's mad,
It's a
isn't
very
it?
unsavoury idea, but I mean that
But it's just
that would
crazy.
cost
What
a
planet are
lot of
people-
money.
But what planet are people on?
That's lovely, isn't it? Can I have a stroke? Is it alright if I have a stroke?
Oh my
Whoa.
God, how soft does that?
Super soft plush, isn't it? Super
Look at
soft.
do a close up of his nose with all those little speckles.
It's texture, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's sort of
Oh, you
like.
can actually feel
Can
it.
you? Oh,
a
let me
bit.
feel.
Yeah.
Do tigers have grey noses?
I don't know.
Well,
Oh,
yeah.
the
Beautiful.
softness.
Beautiful big
The
eyes.
softness. And then he's got, wow, super rubberiness in there.
So the teeth are like, it's got, teeth. They're all sort of like moulded rubber, aren't they? So you can't really bite it.
No.
But you can rule.
He's only,
Are you going
he's
to
only
manage
a
okay?
tiger cub.
Yeah.
He's only a tiger cub. He's not, tiger cubs are alright.
Was
certain
Toby
age.
bothered by the bubbles or the fact that it's a tiger, do you think? He doesn't normally go on my old ripped show. He seems to be getting out of the way. So,
You're not getting me in here, are you?
no, lad.
Be very careful. That camera. Okay. Oh, right, that's that. That's that bit of string out, folks. Look at his wobbly head. Oh, kitty cat. And he's got string here, but it's actually it's not as bad as some of them are for taking out. That comes up quite easily.
Tom and I forgot your name, lad. What is it? It's not Wookie.
It's Yorkie.
Yorkie, you've gone to sleep. And Tom's gone to sleep.
It's a good way to.
It's the boring bit, isn't it? Actually, I quite like opening packages like this and taking my time. Oh. Wow. That's so big.
Baby.
Man, are you going to have space? Where are you going to keep it? Is he going to stay?
Baby,
Oh, it's Toby now. He's coming down to have a look. What about that then, Toby? Hey? It's the same size as you, lad, isn't it? Hey?
It's bigger. It's bigger than Toby.
Ooh, what are you going to do when it roars? Hey? Roar.
Look.
Get a little chick toe.
Can you get the chick?
Yeah, you do a bit.
Because I'll do a bit of filming because we'll also need.
I think you'll have to do a separate video for that.
Well, what for getting the?
No, when he's on.
Why?
It's going to take.
It's only been on 7.5 minutes.
Chick toy there, Toby, but it's not for you.
What, Toby?
I wouldn't pinch that if I were you. You might be in trouble. Wow, look at those pads. Look at those pads.
Oh, the quality.
Oh, so this is the same range as the parrot, isn't it?
Yeah, and
the for real
Yorkie,
range, yeah, of course. The
I
pads, they hinge at the ankle. Why is that then? Oh, the legs are posable, aren't they?
Yes, the back ones are posable.
Wow.
I don't think the front ones are because the front ones actually move
Little toes out.
mechanically.
Do you want to use both hands and I'll fiddle and struggle with the battery compartment?
Right. So, we need a screwdriver, dear Paul, dear Paul. We need a screwdriver,
What
dear
sort of
Paul.
screw is it? Oh dear.
Oh, you're scared, Toby. Look, you've terrified him.
Sorry, Tobe. Only a couple of bubbles, lad.
Oh, easy.
Okay, screwdriver. Do you want to take?
I'll take over.
Steer that while I go and get your screwdriver.
So we're going to call this critter Kitty. It's going to be my kitty. Kitty, cuckoo. It's so lovely. Oh, it's so nice. It's got lovely green eyes. And those eyelids, I believe the eyelids. Yes, you can tell. They actually, the eyelids are attached to the eyeball, and then the whole thing will move. Oh, it's so lovely and soft.
Okay, would you like me to do the honours of powering up then?
Yeah, I'll have a quick look at the instructions.
Okay, so I turn him over on his back.
Your pet's
Supporting him.
activation points. We've got 4 heads.
What's an activation point then?
Touch sensors.
Oh, right, okay.
So he's got a touch sensor on the top of his head.
Uh-huh.
He's got a microphone
You've got a
For
microphone.
some reason, it says microphonum. Wonder
Where does
why.
it say that?
Yeah, it says microphonum. I don't know why it says microphonum instead of
It's a
microphone.
bad translation, isn't it? That's a nice battery compartment.
And
Look at that.
then he's got.
That's the battery compartment. 4 nice big C cells.
And so he's got also a touch sensor on his muzzle. And it's his mouth. Now, I don't know if that's just a switch. Usually is on Hasbro's for real pets. There's not normally any kind of...
RFID tag in it.
No, there's nothing that you can see. You can see looking down there because it's hollow. There's not actually anything in there.
It looks like it should squeak, doesn't it? Oh, it does squeak a little bit.
A little bit.
Oh, that Toby like that. Was that Toby?
Toby's going to fight him for this.
He's looking with interest behind you and twisting his head around, from side to side.
So it must be a switch in the mouth. So let's see. We've got back button. I think that's to wake him up. He's got a switch on his back to wake him up. I believe though you can wake him up by putting something in his mouth. So it is a switch in his mouth. And then it says back sensor, so that would be another touch sensor on his back. Nice.
Okay, do you want me to turn him on?
Oh yes.
So I'm going to turn him on
yes.
and then Velcro his belly up. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, blimey.
Oh. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty.
That's cute. Look at this.
Oh, little kitty. Oh, it's purring. It's purring. Oh, my little kitty.
Nice food.
Oh, little kitty.
Look at that, Toby, look. Oh, he's got a friendly voice, hasn't it?
He's lovely.
Oh, his ears move as well.
Yeah.
Ah, so his ears. Ah, wow.
Play with your toy. Oh, get that in your
That's,
mouth.
it looks like it's going to have nice choreography of the movements again, like
Oh, it's lovely.
like most of For Real's range.
He's lovely. Oh, he's so round the boat.
He's very friendly, isn't he? And he's the tone of his voice, and his movements.
I want to see if...
I wonder if what are you calling Tyler then? Rory Tyler, what are you calling him?
Kitty.
Kitty, okay. Original. I wonder if Kitty will be able to pick Yorkie up. It's a question in all. Oh dear. Don't think you understand one another yet. That seems to be friendly enough towards Yorkie.
Oh, he roars at Yorkie.
I'm stroking his back and he's responding straight away. Gosh, I'm sort of transfixed by him, Jude. It's really, really nice. They look good together, Yorkie and Kitty, don't they? 14 minutes you're on, Chuck.
Oh, look at the conversation.
He's doing a friendly sort of, did you call that playback?
Oh, cute's that.
So,
Oh, we better stop because we're almost 15 minutes, aren't we?
I've got something in the oven as well. Okay.
Yeah, we'll stop there then, folks.
We're back later.